Hello, and welcome to the 411 on how to make money online. Today, in this video, we are going to review how e-commerce trends change all the time. In this digital world, it's important for web stores to stay ahead of the curve. We will also examine the newest ideas and trends that are changing the future of online shopping. 1. The rise of shopping on cell phones. Mobile phones have changed the way people shop online, and e-commerce websites are now much more mobile-friendly. This optimization includes responsive design, pages that load quickly, and user-friendly interfaces that make buying on mobile devices easy. People are more likely to buy things on the spot because mobile shopping is so convenient. E-commerce companies need to focus on mobile optimization to take advantage of this trend and meet the needs of the growing number of people who buy on their phones. Mobile shopping is more than just looking. It also includes ways to pay with your phone, like digital wallets and payment apps. For mobile shoppers, these safe and quick ways to pay have become an important part of the experience. 2. AI and personalization. Artificial intelligence is changing e-commerce by making product suggestions based on how a user acts and what they like. AI-powered algorithms look at user data to suggest goods that match each person's tastes, which makes conversion rates much higher. Chatbots, which are driven by AI, help customers in real time by answering their questions and making the shopping process easier. These virtual helpers improve the customer experience by being available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. AI-driven customization goes beyond just suggesting products. It also includes customized marketing campaigns, email content, and even changing prices based on demand, making sure that each customer gets offers and messages that are just right for them. 3. Voice shopping. Voice-activated gadgets like Google Home and Amazon's Alexa have changed the way people shop online by letting them do business over the phone. Voice controls now let users make purchases by simply saying what they want and confirming their orders. As voice commerce develops, e-commerce companies must change too. To make sure their goods can be found on voice-activated devices, they need to make their product listings and checkout processes more voice-friendly. 4. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR. Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR technologies are making online shopping better by letting people interact with goods virtually. AR apps let shoppers see how furniture will fit in their living rooms or how clothes will look on them, which lowers their doubts and boosts their trust in their purchases. VR takes immersion to a whole new level by making virtual stores where people can look at goods and explore them in 3 dimensions. This technology is especially useful in fields like real estate, where buyers can look at homes. As AR and VR get easier to use, e-commerce companies are putting money into them to find new ways to involve customers. But making sure that everything works together smoothly and is easy for users to do is still a challenge. This means that AR and VR shopping experiences are still being improved. 5. Going green and shopping ethically. Sustainability and doing business in an honest way have become more important in e-commerce as customers want eco-friendly goods and honest business practices. In response, e-commerce companies are giving environmentally friendly products and clear information about where their products come from. People are also looking for more eco-friendly ways to package their goods. Shipping materials that are better for the environment and less plastic packages are both good for the environment and for customers who like brands that care about the environment. Being ethical also means using fair labor methods and getting materials in a responsible way. E-commerce companies are expected to follow these rules, which are closely looked at by shoppers who care about social issues and want to make sure the products they buy are honest. 6. Social business. The era of social trade began when social media sites were turned into shopping sites. Instagram, shopping, and Facebook Marketplace let businesses show off their goods right on social media, so users can find things they like and buy them without having to leave the app. Users can see what goods their friends and other influential people are buying or endorsing, which makes social commerce possible. This kind of social proof makes goods seem more trustworthy and makes people more likely to buy them. Live streaming and engaging features on social media sites make shopping even more fun for people. Brands hold live Q&As and product launches to build community and let customers interact with them in real time. 7. Models based on subscriptions. Online shopping services that you subscribe to have grown a lot. These services include streaming services like Netflix and tailored product boxes. Customers get value, ease of use, and unique experiences with these models, which are usually paid for through monthly or yearly subscriptions. Subscription boxes are perfect for people with specific hobbies because they send hand-picked items like books, food, or beauty products. Subscriptions are exciting and fun for subscribers because of the surprise factor of unboxing. Subscription plans give businesses steady streams of income and keep customers coming back. But in this competitive market, keeping up a high level of quality and newness is key to keeping customers. 8. Payments without touching anything and digital wallets. Contactless payments and digital wallets are widely used in online shopping because they are safe and easy to use. Apps like Apple Pay and Google Pay let people pay with just a tap or a fingerprint scan. These payment methods are especially useful for mobile shopping because they make it easy for users to finish transactions on their phones. With an extra layer of protection, like tokenization, card fraud is less likely to happen. 9. Delivery the same day or the next day. More and more people want same-day and next-day delivery services because they want shipping choices that are quick and reliable. Customers often are willing to pay extra for faster shipping because they value the ease of getting their orders quickly. Big online stores like Amazon have set the bar with their Prime Delivery service, which lets members get eligible items shipped in 2 days or even the same day. Smaller online stores are looking into working with outside delivery services to meet the demand for fast shipping. This trend shows how important logistics and delivery plans are for e-commerce businesses to stay competitive. 10. Content and reviews made by users. Customer-generated material, like reviews, photos, and testimonials, is very important in getting people to buy something. People often use the reviews and experiences of other customers to judge the quality and trustworthiness of a product. E-commerce platforms that let users post material like reviews and ratings of products build trust and openness. High scores and positive reviews can help a product get more attention and sales. However, managing user-generated content also means dealing with negative comments and responding quickly to customer concerns. To keep a good online image, you need to be real and quick to respond. I hope this video provides you with value and inspires you to take a chance on starting your own journey towards financial success by potentially making money online. If you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell for more valuable content. Until next time, thanks for watching.